Example 7. A GP has a common ratio of 2. The sum of the first 5 terms is 93. Find the first term. Okay, well, we are given a common ratio of 2. Our R is 2. And we are given the sum of the first 5 terms as 93. So the sum of the first 5 terms S5 is 93. This implies that the number of terms is 5. So our n is 5 for this case. And the question 1 is the first term A. Wow, this is interesting. We are given the sum of the first 5 terms, we are given the common ratio R, and that we should find the first term. So remember, the question is talking about the sum of first 5 terms. So we shall apply the concept of the sum of a GP as our heading. Remember, there are 2 formulas. The formula used depends on the value of R, right? Yes. Like in this case, our R is 2. So our R is more than 1, right? The formula for the sum Sn is A into R power n minus 1, and then we divide by R minus 1. This is the formula when R is more than 1. So we have seen the formula to use. So what we need to do is to customize the formula to the sum of the first 5 terms, and we substitute for what we are given, and then we look for the first term, which is the unknown for this case. So we shall have Sn now becomes the sum of the first 5 terms. So we shall have S5 being equal to the first term A is what we are looking for, into R. R is the common ratio, which is 2. Power n. What is our n? Our n is 5. So 2 to the power 5, and then minus 1 over the common ratio R is 2. So we shall have 2 minus 1. What is S5? The sum of the first 5 terms is 93. So we substitute for it, equals to the first term A into, what is 2 to the power 5? It is around 32. 2 power 5 is 32, but minus 1 over 2 minus 1 is 1. So over 1. And then we say 93 equals to the first term A into 32 minus 1, we get 31. If we divide this expression by 1, it remains the same. Any number divided by 1 does not change. Therefore, 93 becomes equal to A times 31, we shall have 31A. Remember, we are looking for A, so we divide both sides by 31. Those will cancel. So our A becomes 93 divided by 31. I'm getting 3. Therefore, the first term for this GP is 3. And that makes the solution. So the thing is, look at the question. Identify what has been given. Okay. Identify what they are looking for. Scan through the question and find out where you can start. We are given the sum of the first 5 terms, so we can use that. And that takes us to the formula of the sum. And again, there are two formulas of the sum, depending on the value of r. If r is more than 1, this is the formula. If r is less than 1, you have that formula in your notes. Otherwise, I am your tutor for these classes under Vision Plus. Thank you.